Hey guys, welcome back to once again my channel. I hope you're doing well. Once again I am back, new and latest trendy ideas and style looks for girls and women's handbags. Different beautiful crocheting ideas. Hand clutch. Here are some creative crochet handbags ideas to inspire your next project. And different and latest style looks, patchwork combined different crochet squares, each with a unique pattern or color to create a patchwork style handbags. And the rainbow crossbody. Use bright rainbow colors to crochet a trendy crossbody bag that adds a pop of color to any outfit. There are countless crochet handbags designed to choose from. Here are a few ideas. Crochet handbags are a popular and stylish accessories. You can create a unique design using various crochet stitches and patterns. If you have any specific question or need tips on crocheting handbags, feel free to ask for comment section. So I hope you like it. You can find crochet pattern for this design online or create your own custom design by experimenting with different stitches and yarn colors. Happy crocheting. Stylish design handbags. Stylish crochet handbags design often invaluable, unique texture, colors, and embellishment. Here are some for creating stylish crochet handbags. Use a charming stitches pattern with vibrant color for a trendy, eye-catching look. Different combined style and colors.